What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, back with the second part of this particular video. If you haven't seen the first part, check my YouTube channel and you will see it in the video section. Definitely go check it out. I think you would find some inspiration from the first part. The second part, I wanted to come and tell you all about the lighting setup. This is a simple lighting setup. A lot of times we think that we need an extravagant setup to get nice, clean portraits. And in this case, I'm here to tell you, you only need one light. So with that being said, I am using a Godox AD300 Pro with an Easy Lock Glow 34-inch beauty dish. That is it. That is all, and I'm able to get these images. Now, one thing I do want to tell you is that from time to time, I do adjust the distance of the light source from the model, and that is only to get full body coverage of the model, just because of the diameter of the beauty dish that I'm using. So I changed that distance just to get full body coverage. Other than that, this is a one light setup. Go ahead, check it out. Tell me which shot you like the most in the comments below. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. T to the M to the IDD. I will catch you in the next one. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, now you can turn to your side. Let's get some frontwards. Yeah. 1, 2. And look off. Perfect. Look the other way for me. And bring your hands in the middle for me. Perfect. Kind of almost like Indian style. Yeah. And I want you to caddy corner yourself to the other side so we can see that tap right there. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Love it, love it. Ooh, hold that right there. Hold that right there. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. And put that right hand on your knee. Perfect. And scoot over to your right a little bit. Do that same pose. Yeah, right there. And do that same pose. Perfect. 1, 2. And let me check those. One, 2. Perfect. All right. Two. Perfect. And let your head fall back a little bit. Perfect. So cross one leg over. Yeah, and I want you, let's get that. I like that look right there. Yeah, keep that right there. Just like you playing with your hair. I like that. I like that. All right, let me get that. 1, 2. Angle yourself to the side a little bit more. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, okay. She ain't playing with y'all. 1, 2. And tilt your head back some for me. Perfect. All right, put your other leg over top of there and kind of turn your body. Yeah, can you? Yeah, perfect. All right, 1, 2. And put that left hand up by your head. Perfect. And bring that right arm kind of like on your chest. Let's see. Yeah. And put it on the other side of your head. Yeah. And let your head tilt back. Perfect. Now cross your legs over one another. Yeah, and kind of like lean back with it. Yeah, you could lean back over like the other rail. Yeah, yeah, and just kind of fall back. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. One, two. Let's see if you get on the side of it. Yeah. And let's see if you, we're gonna move this over some, and you can just kind of like pop your foot while you're on the side of it. Yeah. And then that'll work. So you're gonna come in closer to it and just be like, yeah. All right. 1, 2. Yeah, and can you lean back with it? Yeah, and then tilt your head back. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Can you cross your legs right there? Yeah. And then I want you to give me like one of these. Yeah. 1, 2. And open it up a little bit wider. Yeah. Perfect.